This headphone amplifier is marketed as a clone of the Audio-Technica AT HA5000 headphone amplifier. The original claims 1.2 watts output into 32 ohms power output. It is a Class A design with MOSFET output stages. It is finished in an aluminum enclosure with a dual 15-volt power supply. The MOSFET devices are heat-sinked into the case, and it does run warm at around 40 degrees, but definitely not hot. There is an ALPS volume control and two large power supply capacitors which appear to be 10,000 microfarads each. There is a slight channel mismatch at the first 1% of volume, but this is typical of this type of volume control and mainly noticeable with in-ear monitors. With 1 volt output into 16 to 300 ohms, the distortion spectra were all quite similar. Around 0.08% was measured, or just over 96 decibels of noise. Output of 1 volt into 300 ohms showed almost an even combination of third and second order harmonics, with progressively lower amounts of higher order harmonics. Onset of clipping was 3.58 V or 43 milliwatts. 1 volt output into 32 ohms also showed more third and order harmonics, with progressively lower amounts of other order harmonics with higher outputs. At the onset of clipping with 1% distortion was at 3.38 volts or 357 milliwatts. 1 volt output into 16 ohms also showed mainly third, second, and fifth order harmonics, with progressively lower amounts of other order harmonics as we increase output past 2 volts. At the onset of clipping at 319 volts or 636 milliwatts.